From dusty books to the nation's spine, ink turned with a long-term rhyme. Samvidhan ki kahani suno, our people, future ka flow. 1976, emergency night. Power in one hand, democracy tight. Parliament lied, courts went slow. Mini constitution, everybody knows. Preamble change, listen carefully. Socialist, secular integrity. Senate got strong, states felt small. Directive principles, rose rights took a fall. Judges chain, review on mute. Parliament's a breed, absolute root. Fundamental duties, stand in line. Respect the flag, environment time. 5 to 6, term stretch long. Power play hidden in a legal song. History whispers, don't forget this was control, not consent. Mini constitution, power concentration. 42 low power songs. Song was long when lights were gone. It was heavy, voice was low, but history doesn't stop with flow. 1978, people were pie, Janata king, democracy revived. 44 said, never again, liberty first, that's where we stand. Course stood tall, review restored, no more silence behind closed doors. Property stepped out, no longer supreme. Article 2008 in the legal scheme. Emergency now on the cabinet pen, written advice, check and then. Article 21, listen clear, life and liberty, always here. No suspension, no excuse, even in crisis, rights refuse. 6 back to 5, term line, power I turn to the people's mind. This was revenge, not revenge. 44 fixed broken trust. Democracy rose from emergency dust. Courts awake, rights alive. This is how a nation survives. 2002 future call. Books in hands, breaking walls. Article 21A, alright. Education now alright. Not a privilege denied. 6 to 14, every child. Free and compulsory, nation smile. Article 45, we shape the start. Early childhood, head and heart. 51A, raise a mind, show the way. From streets to schools, whole crew wings. This amendment, change guiding. From survival to rise. 42 cook, 40 saw healed. 86 gave future a shield. From control to correction. For education, life. 76, mini constitution. 78, democratic constitution. 2002, education life. Socialist, secular integrity word. Property gone, life secured. From emergency fear to classroom dream. That's the constitution, supreme thing. Read it, lap it, remember the law. Not just for exams, but what it's fair. From people's time to people's power. This is any year's constitution now.